how to create marketing videos in HeyGen. To create a marketing video in HeyGen, launch HeyGen and log into your account. Tap on the Apps section located from the bottom right corner, and here you can select the option Prompt to Video. The first thing to do is you need to define your goal. Decide whether you are promoting a product, service, or running a brand awareness campaign to shape your script. Also try to set your format. You can choose your video dimensions, and also you can upload some style, voice if you have cloned your voice, or also avatar if you have created your own avatar or someone else's avatar. Then after that, for reference, you can also just upload images or documents from your device by selecting the plus icon from the bottom left, and here you can choose gallery or documents to upload files and documents from your device. And after you've done that, the better you are at giving the prompt, the better the output of your video is going to be. And this way you will be able to create a marketing video in HeyGen. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.